Hello everybody. My name is Sackthing. I have an announcement to make. I'm here to tell you about Brad and Gary. So you know, Pat and Stan are going to be replaced. And otherwise, they already left in mid-2025. Patrick will be replaced by Brad, and Stanley will be replaced by Gary. It's going to have two creatures as the main characters, which is primary protagonists. For right now, Alex the Lion officially announced would bring the new creatures to me. Okay, let's go use the slideshow to see what's new. Now, there is Pat and Stanley on the background. I really didn't know about that. So, in 2022, they made a cameo appearance. In 2023, I met them, and they can speak in French. Everything went well in 2024. They can speak in English since Alice was here. In 2025, they got into the airport since they already gone. Most likely due to Brad and Gary for arriving at Om Animation Studios. Oh, that's a production company. Unfortunately, Pat and Stanley are no longer allowed to be on Om Animation when they are not gonna come back. Besides, they're not employers. For that moment, there is Brad and Gary in the forest. The short film was released on July 1st, 2011. Oh, I'm sure that movie is running time in 4 minutes, and I didn't know what they're up to. They're from the Illumination Entertainment. Brad was a yellow creature, and Gary was a red creature. But wait. Brad and Gary are going to replace Pat and Stanley. Normally, I don't need Pat and Stan anymore. I just want Brad and Gary instead. So, let's watch these previews. Geez, the second one looked a little unfinished because the original clip looked unrendered, so I was inspired to make it that way. It's a mini movie, and it's not much is known about this mini movie because it hasn't been fully found. Technically, I'm gonna have to edit with different textures on Gary, and that's gonna be renamed Momo, and this color would be, blue. While using Brad, I'm gonna have to edit with different textures on him to renamed Butch, and this color would be green. Anyway, they might going to change Brad and Gary into Om Animation characters. Oh, one more thing. Brad was voiced by Pierre Coffin, and Gary was voiced by Jack Angel. But sometimes, I'm gonna change their voices someday. Well, Brad and Gary models will be working in progress. And by the way, they're gonna be named Butch and Momo, like uncopyrighted. Occasionally, Butch and Momo will be coming soon, and also, they will be here on the next season, or something. Now, you can leave a like and drop a comment on this video anytime you like. But for right now, I'm gonna be back soon, on the next video. Alright, I'll see you later. Hee hee.